Sort 26. Quartet. I heard a beautiful string quartet play classical music. Quartet. Decimal. In Australia, we use decimal currency. Decimal. Octagon. An octagon has 8 sides. Octagon. Quadruped. A dog is a quadruped. It walks on 4 legs. Quadruped. Decathlon. Have you ever competed in a decathlon? Decathlon. Centennial. A centennial is a celebration of 100 years. Centennial. Decade. It has been a decade since I was at school. Decade. Bicentennial. In 1988, Australia celebrated its bicentennial. 200 years of settlement. Bicentennial. Quintet. A quintet is a musical group with 5 musicians. Quintet. Centimetre. There are 100 centimetres in a metre. Centimetre. Quadrangle. I ran around the quadrangle at lunchtime. Quadrangle. Quintuplets. A mother gave birth to quintuplets, 5 babies. Quintuplets. Centigrade. Temperature can be measured in centigrade. Centigrade. Quintessence. Saying thank you is the quintessence of good manners. Quintessence. Quadruplets. A mother had 4 babies. She had quadruplets. Quadruplets. On the weekends, she is the quintessential Freo kid, going to a coffee shop for a hot chocolate and a walk around the markets. Quintessential. Octet. An octet is a piece of music written for 8 performers. Octet. Pentagon. A pentagon is a 5-sided shape. Pentagon. Century. A century is 100 years. Century. Quarter. You're going to need about 1/4 of a cup for this recipe. Quarter. Octave. These notes are an octave apart on the piano. Octave. Quadruple. We expect to quadruple our profits this year. Quadruple. Decimate. Pollution can decimate fish population in our rivers. Decimate. Percentage. Do you know what percentage of profit we will make on this product? Percentage. Dictation sentences. Remember that you can pause and rewind to hear this again. Sentence 1. The bicentennial was celebrated with a decathlon in the quadrangle and a percentage of funds raised going to support a family with quintuplets. The bicentennial was celebrated with a decathlon in the quadrangle and a percentage of funds raised going to support a family with quintuplets. Sentence 2. The Pentagon staff are the quintessence of secrecy, planning a surprise quartet to celebrate a quarter of a century of service. The Pentagon staff are the quintessence of secrecy, planning a surprise quartet to celebrate a quarter of a century of service.